In primetime news this evening, health center making staff and patients ill. More drama in the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation as independent councillor rejoins the PNP. And later, Prime Minister touts government's track record.
Those items plus an item of breaking news that's just coming into our news center. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Perseus. You can't have the people guessing. The story that we have breaking, it relates to that investigation into the disappearance of Philip Paulwell's, the MP.
Child.
His child as well as the child's mother. So you want to stay tuned for that. But here's a preview of what's coming up in the financial week. Here's Japan Keys.
Well, Janella, what we have developing here is the latest on the economy. So we have the data coming from Statin, which indicates that inflation is still outside the BOJ's target.
Thank you, Keys. And Spencer Darlington has the latest coming up in Primetime Sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Archie. Well, 9 Jamaicans will be in action as the two-day Diamond League final gets underway tomorrow in Eugene, Oregon. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Janella, this evening we are asking, in light of the dengue alert, what have you been doing differently to protect yourself from the virus?
Holy mosquito repellent, all of that. But you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. The news in detail plus that item of breaking news right after this break.